Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. I'm going to show you the snacks and the cough drops. We'll start it off with the cough drops. Lemon honey cough drops. Another bag. Lemon honey cough drops. And we'll start with the snacks. Kroger brand cheese on cheese, cheese and crackers. Kroger brand cheese on cheese, cheese and crackers. And Kroger brand cheese on cheese, cheese and crackers. And cheese on cheese, cheese and crackers, Kroger brand. And them are the snacks and cough drops that I own. Hope you've enjoyed seeing them. How are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Yesterday I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Spent time with my mom, my family, and friends. Sat under the air. Watched some movies. And waited on time to do the video. And now I'm doing the video. That's what I done yesterday. Outside of sleeping all day, but I'm going to be busy tomorrow looking up more items for more videos. I've got loads and loads of CDs, DVDs, LP records, and cassettes to show you. And end of the month, I'm going to be getting more new items in to show you. So be ready for that. Be ready. I've got loads and loads of new items coming in. At the end of the month, following month, more new items coming in. So be ready for that. Be ready. I've got loads of CDs, DVDs, LP records, and cassette tapes. Then I'm going to take you a tour around the room and show you everything that I've got. And if you like this video, leave down in the comments, down in the comments section. Tell me what you thought of the video. Also, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Refer this channel to a friend, a relative, don't matter who, as long as you share the news. Always be kind and true to others. Always have love in your heart. Always treat people with respect. And always be the best you can be. Always. And help out your family and friends, and help out those that needs it. That's right. Always help out those who needs it the most. Remember to always like, favorite, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. And tomorrow night, I'm going to show you a CD collection. I'll get them out and get them ready to show you in tomorrow night's video. So, be ready for that. And I'm going to show you cassettes in the following video. And in the following video, I'll try my best to show you some LP records. Try my best. So, I'm going to look up some CDs tomorrow night. Then, following night, try my best to do an LP collection. Try my best. Remember to always like, favorite, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.